So in your mind, as you look out at the field of 3D technology and 3D printing, how deep into the construction project will 3D be able to go?
So from where I'm sitting, I think it depends on the technology. Because we are beginning to see a variety of 3D printing technologies that are coming into the space. Our goal with what we're doing is that it'll really, frankly, be all of it. Really, I mean, because what we're looking at with our panels is the ability to be everything from the interior finish to the exterior finish, including your air, water, fire, vapor, thermal barriers, all of that. Be able to do the 3D printed floors, ceilings, and really unlock that opportunity, the ability to have 3D printing, eliminate the need for a lot of those additional finishing materials that can add additional costs and additional site work, time on site, and really speed that return on the investment. So I think there's opportunities for it to really become a huge part of it, all the way through from the bones of the building, all the way to the finishing of the building. But I think it depends on the technology.